Hello, welcome to our lesson 2. Today we're going to talk about the process of self-discovery. Self-discovery is such an important concept that I have to put it in our second lesson. So let's get started. During the time of our study together, I would like you to understand my instruction and follow my instruction as much as you can. Why am I saying instruction these words? Is because that's the idea behind the movement. So when you see me dancing or teaching a dance phrase, what you see is my physical interpretation of my instruction, of the movement, of the sensation. So what I would like you to do is not only to copy my movement, my shape, but also trying to understand what's the underlying instruction of it, the concept of it, and try to figure out and discover your own physical interpretation for my instruction. I'm gonna do an example so you can understand better. So for example, if I make this post, what I would like you to learn is not only to exactly copy my shape, but trying to figure out how I made this shape, right? Where my hand is resting. Look, my left arm is resting on this part of my waist. So it's resting, and I'm actually putting my weight in this left pelvis, left hip bone here, and my knee is also a little bit bended and it's resting, it's falling. So I need to find the falling sensation of my leg and finding this part is resting here and my hands here is hanging. So it's like hanging. So I want you to feel the sensations. And then with this sensation, here come to this shape. So that's what I mean. So yes, you can see that I am making a lot of shapes. A lot of different shapes. But dance is not only about learning the shape. Dance is more about how you move in the space, how one shape is transformed to the next one, how they transform, through which line, from where to the next one, how are they getting to the next one. For example, this movement. Okay, so how my right arm goes from this spot to here. So I actually is pulling my elbow. So pulling and my hands are following it and goes elongate to reach that point. So you will see the pull, the follow, the reach. So those verbs, that's the sensation of our body. That's a formation. How, that's the how it transformed to there. So that's what we need to learn. And I would like you to figure out when you pull your elbow, what that feels like. When you pull your elbow, how your elbow react. And how is your hand follow your elbow? What's your way of following? And what's your way of reaching there? Clear? So that's what we need to learn about self-discovery.